Hey everybody, it's Alex here from wpeagle.com. This tutorial is to show you how to install WordPress onto your hosting using an FTP client. So basically just downloading the software from wordpress.org and then uploading it to your hosting and getting it up and running. And hopefully we can do that in just a couple of minutes. So the first thing you need to do is head over to wordpress.org and click on the download WordPress button and then click again and the software should download for you. Now I've already done it, so I've got it here in my Finder. So what you want to do is you want to quickly expand that using your normal zip program. If it's on Windows, WinZip or whatever. On the Mac here, just use the archive utility. And then you have WordPress there in a folder ready to upload to your hosting. Now you need some hosting obviously to get started, and normally when you sign up for hosting they will supply you with your FTP details. It's usually the same as the username and password that you set up when you signed up. What you are going to need is an FTP client to be able to upload and download files to your hosting. I recommend Fetch on the Mac. You can get it from fetchsoftworks.com. And when you install it, you get a little dog and you can enter all your details here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload WordPress to the WP Eagle site. And I'm going to set up a little test site that I'm going to use for testing stuff. So you type in all your details, and in Fetch you can kind of add it to your favourites, so you make a shortcut or whatever. Okay, and then click connect, and hopefully you should get a list of folders. Okay, now yours are probably going to look quite similar to this once you've uploaded. So let's go into public HTML. Now in here we've already got a WordPress install. But I'm going to install another one into this folder here. You'll probably just want to install it straight into the public_HTML folder. So you go into here and it will be pretty much empty, and that's where you'll upload. I'm going to go into this folder and upload to there. So this is the folder I want it, so I'm going to go to put. You can just drag and drop it if you've got the window to hand. I'm going to go into that WordPress folder. I'm going to select all this and I'm going to upload all that. Now that's going to take a couple of minutes, so what I'll do is I'll pause this and come back in a second. Welcome back everybody. As you can see, all my files are now uploaded, so we've just got one more setting ready to do before we're ready to go, and that is that we need to set up our WP config file. Now in your WordPress download that you got from wordpress.org, you'll see a folder within the folder a file called WP config sample. What you need to do is edit that. I'm just going to use text edit. What you need to do is enter your username, password, and your database name. So database name in there, username there, and password here. So let me just do that very quickly. I'm just going to pause for a sec. So I've filled in everything that needs to be filled in. What I need to do is save this file as a different file name, because at the moment it's called WP config sample and it needs to be called WP config. So either save as or just rename. I'm just going to rename it. There we go. And that's done. And now obviously I need to upload that to the site. So again, put, and there's my file there. Let's put that up there, and then we should be ready to check out and see if the site's there. So let's have a quick look. So let's test the site then. It's at test.wpeagle.com. there it is. And if all's gone well, you'll have this page to fill in, and you can just enter your details in. So admin, your email, and then this box here. If you're working on the site, I suggest you untick that until your site's ready to launch. Else Google's going to come in and index it, and you're going to get all kind of test stuff coming up. So then click install, and we're done. Then you should be able to just log straight in with the username and password you just entered. If you can remember the password you set. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check wpeagle.com for more. See you soon.